What's HP scanning software? HP scanning software is a type of software that allows you to scan documents or photos using your HP scanner or printer. There are different kinds of HP scanning software, such as HP Scan and Capture, HP Smart, HP Easy Start, and HP Universal Scan. These software can help you edit, save, and share your scanned images or documents with various applications. You can download the HP scanning software from the HP website, https://support.hp.com/us-hyphen/scan-driver/hp-scan-software/21016204881, or the Microsoft Store, depending on your device and operating system. Question: What's HP Scan and Capture? HP Scan and Capture is an application made by HP for scanning documents and photos using HP printers and scanners. Some key features of HP Scan and Capture include scanning directly to your computer with options for PDF, JPG, PNG, BMP file formats. Ability to scan single pages or multi-page documents through document feeders. Basic image editing options like cropping, rotating, adjusting brightness/contrast. Optical character recognition (OCR) to scan documents into editable text. Customizable scan shortcuts and preset options for common scanning jobs. Support for both network and direct connected HP scanners and all-in-one printers. Integration with cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote to upload scanned files. So in summary, it's HP's own scanning software tailored for their printers and scanners. It provides an easy way to digitize paper documents and photos on a Windows computer using an HP scanning device. The functionality is similar to other scanning apps, but optimized specifically for HP's lineup.